Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another character from Brawl Stars, and this time it's gonna be Crow. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're gonna draw in the shape of the beak first. So we're just gonna start, you can make a little point in the middle, and then we're just gonna come down on each side. And then right as you get to the bottom here, we're gonna draw just a little bump. Small little bracket. And then now we'll close everything off. Just go straight across. Alright, and then now we're gonna draw in the rest of the head shape. So just come down to the side here, and we're just gonna draw in just one line, and then another line here. Just down here. And then from here, you can add a little bump again. And then we'll close everything off. So this is going to be the bottom. So after that, we're going to draw in his eye. So we got from this point here, this very top, should be right around here. We're going to slant down. I know this part's a little bit tricky. And then we're going to draw a little curve. This is going to be his eyeball, just all the way out to the side. Okay, and then to finish off the eyes, let's draw like a little curve, and then I'm going to shade it in. Same thing here. Alright, so then after the eyes, we're going to draw in the top of the head. So just extend this a little bit. Just curve it up, and then we're going to round it off and just close everything off. And then now we can draw in the eyebrow. So the eyebrow is really easy. Just from this corner here, just kind of come down toward the eye and just round it off and close everything off. Alright, so now we can finish up the beak. In the middle, make a little point, and then from this point I'm going to curve out this way, and then same thing on the other side. And I'm going to make it a little bit thicker, so I'm going to just round it off and come back toward the middle. And then lastly his little nose right here, the nostrils. Alright, and then right in between the nostrils is just going to be a little X. So I'm just gonna draw an X, just keep it simple. I know it's supposed to be like a bubble letter. Alright, so now let's move down to the body. So for his collar here, well actually we're gonna draw in his neck first. So right in the middle, just draw a little curve like this. And then now we're gonna draw in the shirt collar. Come out to the side. Come back toward the middle. And then come straight across. That's going to be the top of his zipper. Alright, and then once we have that, just kind of connect these lines right here. And then I'm going to give a little bit thickness to the collar right here. Let's draw another line. Okay, so then now we can draw in the rest of the jacket. So on the shoulder here, it's going to come out. And then we're going to pinch it back in. And then we're just going to go all the way down. Finish up the jacket. And close it off. Alright, and then now let's add in the big zipper here in the middle. So I'm just going to add one little box right here. And then right underneath it, it's going to be one bigger box. So extend the line. And then on the inside, we're going to add another little box, actually more like a rectangle. And then we're going to continue the zipper, the smaller line here on the inside. It's going to keep going down. Alright, and then lastly, you can add in two lines like this for his pocket. And let's make that into rectangles. Alright, so now for his arm, and let's draw in this arm first. So right here, here's the armpit. Here's going back up to the shoulder here. We're gonna curve down. It's gotta be a little bit short. Curve and then close it off. And then just draw another rectangle here for his cuff. Alright, and then for his hands, really simple. Just come out here, one curve, and then go to the back, all the way down. For his other finger, just turn it and then close it off. Alright, so now let's draw on the other one. So I'm going to start up here. This one's going to be a little bit different. It's going to be holding his weapon here. So start on the shoulder, slight curve here, curve, then close it. And then once you have this, just one little rectangle here for the cuff. And then now for his hand, this one's a little bit trickier. So we're going to come across. This is going to be his thumb. And then just hook it down. That's his thumb. And then now we're going to draw one circle starting here. Just go all the way around. So this is the part he's holding on to. And then once you have this circle, just draw another one inside but behind the thumb. Okay, and then whatever space you have here, just close it off. That's going to be his hand. And then for his feathers here, it's really simple. We're going to draw one. So it's like an almond shape. And then one more here on this side. And then we're going to draw one here behind these two. So it's just going to be the tip. Okay, and then for the details here, just one little angle. And if you want, we can add in one little line here for the feather. So these are really simple. And that's it for that. So now let's move on to his leg, which is going to be very simple as well. So come down in the middle, gonna draw one little line. On the outside here, come down, back to the middle, come down parallel to this, and then close it off. And let's draw on the other side first before we draw on his boot. So this one's gonna be the same, just opposite. Alright, so let's try drawing the boot this way. So in the middle here, we're gonna come down, and then we're gonna draw one big curve going over. And then close this off, it's gonna be flat. And then we're gonna continue on this side, just meet up to that. Alright, so let's try on this side. So it comes down and to the bottom, and then one dome shape. Close it off, and then just continue this line all the way down to the toes. And that is it for this character. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.